Imagine walking into a factory and seeing hundreds of human-like robots efficiently assembling products, or stepping into a restaurant where robotic waiters not only serve your food but remember your preferences and engage in small talk. This isn't science fiction or some far-off future prediction. This is happening right now in China, today. Hey, tech enthusiasts, John here from Artificial Fluency Technology. And what I'm about to show you might completely change your perspective on where the world stands with humanoid robotics. While companies like Tesla and Boston Dynamics make headlines with flashy prototypes, China has quietly moved past the demonstration phase and into mass production and real-world deployment at a scale that's frankly astonishing. In the next 5 minutes, I'll take you inside China's robotics revolution, show you the incredible capabilities these systems already possess, and explain why this rapid advancement might represent one of the most significant technological and economic shifts of our lifetime. Let's dive in. The first thing that separates China's approach to humanoid robotics from the rest of the world is scale. While Western companies often focus on creating the perfect prototype, China has embraced a philosophy of deploy first, optimize later. Multiple Chinese companies are now mass-producing humanoid robots across different categories. Industrial humanoids working alongside humans in manufacturing plants, service robots deployed in hospitals, hotels, and restaurants, companion robots designed for elder care and household assistance, public-facing robots in transportation hubs and government offices. The numbers are staggering. Reports indicate that tens of thousands of these robots are already deployed across China, with production capacity reaching hundreds of thousands of units annually. This isn't just a tech demo, it's a full-scale industrial revolution. What's particularly impressive is the diversity of form factors and applications. From full-sized humanoids that can lift heavy objects in warehouses to smaller, more agile models designed for precise assembly work, Chinese manufacturers have created specialized robots for virtually every economic sector. This mass deployment creates a powerful feedback loop. The more robots in the field, the more real-world data they collect, which in turn improves their AI systems and physical capabilities. While other countries are still debating theoretical risks, China has created a massive real-world laboratory that's accelerating development at an unprecedented pace. The second breakthrough aspect is the sophistication of the AI systems powering these robots. Chinese humanoids aren't just following pre-programmed routines, they're demonstrating remarkable learning capabilities. These systems combine several cutting-edge technologies: real-time environmental adaptation, allowing robots to navigate unpredictable spaces; natural language processing for nuanced human interaction in Mandarin and other languages; computer vision systems that can identify objects, people, and situations with human-like accuracy; emotional intelligence features that recognize human feelings and respond appropriately. What sets these robots apart is their ability to learn new tasks through observation and minimal instruction. In one demonstration, a factory robot was shown a new assembly process just once by a human worker, then immediately replicated the task with near-perfect accuracy. This capability for rapid learning means these robots can be deployed to new environments without extensive reprogramming or training. A hotel service robot, for example, can quickly adapt to different floor layouts, guest preferences, and unexpected situations. The movement capabilities are equally impressive. The latest models demonstrate fluid, human-like motion that avoids the jerky, mechanical movements associated with older robots. They can manipulate delicate objects, navigate crowded spaces, and even perform complex physical tasks like preparing food or folding laundry. What's particularly noteworthy is that these advances aren't just happening in research labs. They're being refined and improved through constant real-world interaction, creating a virtuous cycle of rapid improvement that's leaving other countries behind. The scale and sophistication of China's humanoid robot deployment isn't just technologically impressive, it has profound economic implications. First, it's dramatically transforming China's labor market. In sectors like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service, humanoid robots are increasingly handling tasks previously performed by humans. This isn't leading to mass unemployment yet, but rather a shift in human roles toward robot management, maintenance, and oversight. Second, it's giving China a significant competitive advantage in global manufacturing. Factories equipped with these advanced robots can operate 24/7 with consistent quality and lower costs, potentially reshaping global supply chains. Third, and perhaps most importantly, the data collected from this massive deployment is creating an AI knowledge base that will be difficult for other countries to match. Every interaction, every task, every adaptation becomes training data that improves the next generation of robots. Looking ahead, Chinese companies are already developing the next generation of these systems, focusing on enhanced emotional intelligence for more natural human interaction, greater physical dexterity for complex manipulation tasks, more sophisticated group coordination for collaborative work, deeper integration with smart city infrastructure and IoT devices. Industry analysts project that by 2030, humanoid robots could become as common in Chinese businesses and homes as smartphones are today, not as novelties but as essential productivity tools and companions. China's rapid advancement in humanoid robotics represents more than just technological achievement. It's a fundamentally different approach to emerging technology that prioritizes real-world deployment and iteration over perfect prototypes. While debates about AI safety and regulation continue in Western countries, China has created a massive, functioning ecosystem of humanoid robots that's generating practical experience and valuable data every day. The question isn't whether humanoid robots will transform society in China. That transformation is already well underway. The question is whether the rest of the world will adapt to this new reality or be left behind. If you found this overview valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to Artificial Fluency Technology for more insights into the rapidly evolving world of AI and robotics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.